Our fluency, we're going to select all expressions that are equal to the quotient of 2 and 45 hundredths divided by 5 tenths. So we need to make sure we select all of the ones that are equal to it. So let's take a look. First of all, 2 and 45 hundredths divided by 5 tenths. We need to move that decimal in 1 to make it a whole number on the outside. And if we do that on the outside, we must do it on the inside. So we're going to put our decimal there and be able to pop that up. Can 5 go into 2? No. Can 5 go into 24? Yeah, how many times? Well, it can go in, 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Drop down that 5. 5 can go into 45 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract, you get 0. So the answer there is 4 and 9 tenths. So we need to figure out what is equal to that. So A, B, C, D. And remember, select all, so it could be more than one. All right, so I am going to, unfortunately, erase my beautiful work over here because I want to have as much room as I can. So product means we're going to multiply. So when we multiply, we do not have to line up our decimals. We're going to push everything to the right. 70 hundredths times 7. We're going to do 7 times 0, which is 0. 7 times 7 is 49. How many places for our decimal? In 1, in 2. So in 1, in 2. So 4 and 90 hundredths, or that's the same thing as 4 and 9 tenths. Remember, you can always put zeros at the end here. So that will be one of our options. So that will be an answer. So I am going to circle A. Let's take a look and see if any of the other ones are any options. All right, let's take a look. The sum. Sum means adding. We have to line up our decimals. 75 and 89 hundredths. And 39 and 12 hundredths. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 100. Whoa! That is just way too much. Also, we could have even taken a look at, 75 and 39, if you're adding them, that's going to be even bigger, and it's already starting at 75. Whoa, way too much. So we can cancel that one out. So that's not true. That's not correct. All right, now we are going to take a look at the quotient of 674 and 2. So divide by 2. 2 goes into 6. Let's see, it can go in 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down that 7. 2 goes into 7. How many times? Let's see. 2 goes into 7, 2, 4, 6, 3 times. You get 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Drop that 4. 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 times 7 is 14. There are no remainders. Nothing left to drop down. 337? Wrong. All right, last but not least, let's check this last one. If I can erase that. There we go. All right, difference. That means we're subtracting. So we do have to line up our decimals of 28 and 82 hundredths minus 23 and 92 hundredths. All right, when we subtract, 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 9 you cannot do, you guys. So 8 becomes a 7. To make this 8 and 18. 18 minus 9 is going to be 9. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 7 minus 3 is going to be 4. 2 minus 2 is 0, so our answer is 4 and 90 hundredths, or 4.9. Yes! That is also going to be another answer. So our options and our answers are A and D. That is all for the fluency. Woohoo! Great job.